Hey everybody, Caleb here with Oasis Bath Solutions. We just finished up this absolutely amazing walk-in or roll-in shower, I should say, here in Kent. You can see we've got this really nice beveled threshold on the shower base. So technically you could get a wheelchair over that, but this is set up for accessibility and safety here. And we've got this beautiful mosaic inlay on top of the Calcutta gold marble. Amazing, super high quality, all metal. You can hear all metal fixtures in here by Hammerhead Showers. And we've got this secondary valve and shower head here down by our stainless steel antique seat there. So you can activate the water back from the seat, grab bars there, and just absolutely beautiful work by Jimmy and Johnny, our amazing installers. And yeah, beautiful accessibility shower. Check out that custom marble shower base again, so beautiful, by Oasis Bath Solutions here in Kent. Thanks so much.